Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at ram15.com, a site that claims you can sign up, share a link, and suddenly be rolling in cash via PayPal or Venmo. It sounds like a dream, but in reality, it's more of a hallucination. We ran a quick check on their domain and found it was registered just a few days ago. Honestly, I've had milk in my fridge with a longer shelf life than this company's history. While being new isn't a crime, promising a fortune with zero track record is a massive red flag. Real businesses usually take time to build trust, rather than just spawning into existence like a video game glitch. Then there's the total lack of customer support. There is no email, no phone number, and absolutely no live chat. If your money disappears into the digital void, who exactly are you supposed to call? Ghostbusters? If a website claims they'll pay you real money but refuses to give you a way to contact them, you're basically shouting into a well and hoping for a refund. It's a dead end designed to keep you quiet while they harvest your data. Now for the comedy portion of the evening. They claim to pay $50 for every sign-up and $2 for every click. If those rates were actually real, we'd all be retired on private islands by now instead of sitting here. They push you to refer more and more people in a chain reaction that smells remarkably like a basement tier pyramid scheme. They also brag about having over 300,000 members and paying out millions of dollars, yet they provide zero screenshots or verified proof. I could type that I'm the King of England on my website, but that doesn't make it true. The user reviews are just as suspicious, featuring random names with no photos or identities. If thousands of people were actually cashing out, the internet would be buzzing, yet Reddit and Trustpilot are as silent as a library after hours. Between the brand new domain, the fake numbers, and the non-existent support, ram15.com is radiating pure scam energy. Do yourself a favor and stay far away. Don't waste your time or your personal info expecting a payout that isn't coming. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this reality check, like and subscribe for more scam busting. Stay safe out there.